Where are you from?
I'm from America.
That's cool too. And what's your name? Sunshine?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Your name is really so beautiful, Every day I wake up from the bed very early morning and I try to go in a place where I can see the sun shining.
Yeah, morning sunrises.
Yeah. What do you do for yourself, Sunshine?
I'm a 4-year pole instructor.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool though. Oh, look, look. Basically, I try to be immersed myself into the native English people, and welcome to you as native English speaker.
In honesty, reading American books are the easiest way to do it.
Oh, really? You just do work only.
Yeah, I graduated in 2017.
Oh, so what about your years right now?
I am 25.
25. Okay, that's okay. But you know what? You people get the graduation at your early age. But in our country, it's
I
quite deep.
graduated at 17.
How does it possible to be graduated at the 17? At the 17 years old in my country, 13th grade they finished up. And 3 years to go to finish the graduation. I mean, minimum they will have to go up to 20 years old to be finished up the graduation in my country. Whereas you got the graduation at your 17. How interesting it is.
My high school, I was actually one of the older kids that graduated. Most kids in my class were about 16 or 17 with me when we all graduated. We go
Oh,
through K, which is kindergarten, through 12, which is a high school senior.
oh.
And you finish the basically 13 years of school.
Well, so I have a question about your study. When did you admitted into your childhood school?
Your parents put you through it. It was Monday through Friday, just like other school days.
Well, so to finish the graduation, how many years you have to spend?
4.
4 years? Yeah, but in our country, it's 4 years to finish up the graduation. But your education disposal is very good rather than my country.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's really crazy that you got the graduation by 17 years old. What was your subject?
High school is for every subject: science, math, English, social studies. It's all the classes combined.
You just mentioned about a subject like English. So could you tell me in shortly how a beginner can learn English very easily?
I am actually learning 9 different languages through an app called Duolingo.
All right.
It's a little green owl.
Yeah.
And
We
you
are.
can download it and it'll teach you all the different basics going up to finishing off a language.
Mm-hmm. Well, but you know what? Most of the people in my country are very fond of learning English. But especially my people just ask that how to understand the native English speaker sound as well. So what about your comment about the matter?
Enunciation in America is one of the biggest keys.
All right.
Pronouncing all of the letters, if you can,
Mm-hmm.
is one of the better ways. So when my mom and I have a conversation, we enunciate the vowels and the consonants, and it makes it more clear for which word you're trying to use.
Oh, okay. So if I can be consistent practicing with native English speaker, well, that would be really so efficient to understand their accent, their pronunciation as well. Okay. I got really a good information from you and Sunshine. I think I should not keep you asking any more question. Already you hold the patience for a long time. And finally, if you can say in shortly, what about the grammatical role to learn English as a beginner?
Grammatical pronunciation is more part of writing. It's when you're speaking it, it's not really about the grammar portion fully. It's about just grammatically putting them in the right order.
Wow.
So using plurals and singulars mostly. That makes a difference.
Okay, so I think knowing the vocabulary and consistently practicing with the other people and listening the videos would be important role for learning English. All right.
That's exactly it.
Yeah, exactly.